Extracting an attribute value with Beautiful Soup. I am trying to extract the content of a single value attribute in a specific input tag on a web page. I use the following code. I get a type error. List indices must be integers, not str. Even though from the Beautiful Soup documentation I understand that strings should not be a problem here. But I am no specialist and I may have misunderstood. Any suggestion is greatly appreciated.
.find_all returns list of all found elements, so input_tag is a list, probably containing only one element. Depending on what you want exactly, you either should do or use .find method, which returns only one, first, found element.
In Python 3.x, simply use getter_name on your tag object that you get using find_all. Against XML file conference //test1.xml that looks like prints.
For me, this can be fetched by below snippet. If you want to retrieve multiple values of attributes from the source above, you can use findall and a list comprehension to get everything you need.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.